This is the VAMVO Y2 projector, a Google TV 5.0 projector with 8K and HDR10+ support. Inside the box you get a user manual, an HDMI cable, a power cable, a remote control, and the projector itself. This projector has Google TV 5.0 built in, so you'll have access to all your favorite streaming apps without the need of any additional hardware. It has a sealed optical engine to prevent dust from getting in, and uses a thermoelectric cooling system with the use of solid-state heat pumps to transfer heat, keeping the projector running nice and smooth. It has two 10-watt speakers and a large 380 cubic centimeter acoustic chamber with Dolby audio. On the back, you have an HDMI eARC port, an HDMI port, LAN port, USB Type-A port, and an auxiliary jack. There are physical control buttons on top to control the projector, aside from the remote. It has a rotating 360-degree stand or base, allowing you to project at many angles, even on the ceiling. The base can also be mounted to a tripod or hung from a ceiling. Setup is simple, and the guide will walk you through setting up the projector, as well as signing into your Google account to make use of the Google TV features. With automatic offset keystone correction and focus, it'll adjust the picture for you. You can still go into the settings and manually make changes or corrections, or use the remote to adjust the focus as well. With thousands of available apps, you'll be able to easily download and install your favorite streaming apps, and watch your shows or movies in your own home theater. Also with AI and Google Assistant, you can find movies, play music, and more just by speaking to the Google Voice Assistant. Hey Google, open YouTube.
Opening YouTube for Android TV.
Hey Google, how's the weather?
Currently in Los Angeles, it's 54 degrees and clear. Wednesday, it'll be sunny with a high of 63 and a low of 50.
Hey Google, find me a funny show. This has 1000 ANSI lumens, so you get a nice bright and vibrant image. No matter what angle you're viewing it from, you'll see a nice and large picture without loss of quality. This is the 4800 mAh battery. Projectors like this are great for home theater setups, classrooms, or just to replace a TV in the living room with something that provides you a much larger and vibrant picture. The projector isn't too loud when it's running, and doesn't distract or draw away from the sound in movies or music.
Farmer Boy's new winter farm stand menu is our biggest yet, starting at just $9.99. Farmer Boys.
With Downy April Fresh, you can climb into more freshness. Night after night for up to 7 days. Downy breathes life into your laundry.
The sound itself from the speakers are loud and clear, and will provide you a good movie watching experience. The projector with the base measures 23.8 centimeters wide, 23.2 centimeters tall, and 19.9 centimeters in width. It's not too large or too heavy. The bulb life is rated at up to 30,000 hours, so you don't need to worry about running into any issues with that. With wireless screencasting, you can easily cast your smartphone screen through the projector and view photos, videos, or anything else you want right off your phone. There's 16 GB ROM or onboard storage, so you have a decent amount of space to install your favorite apps. Also with the MT9660 processor and 2 GB of RAM, this runs smooth without lag and is able to easily play 1080p, 4K, and 8K content. This projector can be used both indoors and out with a bright and vibrant image quality, but just make sure to cover it up in bad weather since it isn't waterproof. If you're looking to upgrade your home theater setup or replace your TV with something that can provide you a much larger picture, the VAMVO Y2 projector won't disappoint. I'll place links in the description for anyone who's interested, and I'll see you in the next video.